guys, just jumping straight into this look, we are just going in with the Revolution Matte Base Foundation. This is in shade F1, and I'm also just going in with the Revolution Serum Foundation as well, and I think this one is in shade 8.5, and it was just to kind of mix it up so that the matte foundation wasn't making my face as dry. Just applying this with a Peaches PC19 brush. I'm also just going in with some e.l.f. Camo Concealer here, and I'm just blending this in with that big foundation brush. Now I'm just going in with some Peaches pressed powder here, and I'm also going in with the Revolution Bacon Blot powder for the rest of my face. And I'm just applying that with a Peaches PC05 powder brush. Now I'm just taking the P. Louise Black Bada Base, I think it's called, and I'm just putting this on my eyelids. Now this look is not supposed to be neat and tidy, so you can be as messy as you want to be with this. And as you guys can see, I'm just sort of messily putting this down. I'm not being precise at all. And I'm just going over the top of it as well with some black eyeshadow. I am using the Soph new Revolution palette, the newest one that she's just come out with, and I'm using the black out of that. And I'm also just going in with a little bit of the red, which is this extra spice shade, and I'm just putting that slightly above that black just to make it look quite Halloweeny and not look as blended and neat. Just going in with a PC22 brush by Peaches just to blend all this in, and a PC34 as well. Just going in with some black eyeliner here. This is just a black eyeliner pencil from Primark. Now I'm just going in with a detail brush from Peaches, and I'm going into the black Snazaroo face paint, and I'm just messily putting down this little drawing of a spider's web. I was using a couple of different brushes here. Some of them were paint brushes and stuff as well, so if I can find them I will link them in the description for you guys. So I'm just doing this sort of freehand spider web on my neck, and to do a little bit on the head as well. And I do sort of change brushes and stuff here, so just so that like the web has like different thicknesses and stuff. And I do a lot of shading with some black eyeshadow, and that is basically it, guys. I am not the best drawer, and do you know something, it's Halloween, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just going in with this Revolution Relove black eyeliner pen. I actually did buy this for the likes of these Halloween looks because I go through a lot of like black eyeliner and stuff, and I was just using this just for like the detail and stuff. I did want to add a little bit of shading, dimension, just like some light, some dark bits and stuff. And as you guys will see as well, I did actually go in and added some like glitter and stuff just to give it that sort of glistening effect. Something that my daughter always says in the mornings is the spider webs look so glittery, so I wanted to kind of incorporate that into this look as well. That's why it's more of a sort of glittery spider web than just like your normal sort of black and white spider web. And this is just some white eyeliner by the Relove Revolution range. I'm also actually going in with some Collection Glam crystals, and this is the metallic one, and this one is in the shade Golden Hour. I'm also going in with the L'Oreal Paris Glitter Fever eyeliner in the shade Holographic Show. So that's like the two glitters that I'm using here. Just using the Snazaroo black face paint to do my lips, and I do just go over it with some black eyeshadow and a little bit of red eyeshadow in the middle as well. I'm just putting down this little sort of spider web on the side of my eye as well, just to add a little something to the look. And that is this look basically done. I hope you guys like it. Please stay tuned for more. Do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.